everyone. Welcome to the virtual demo of LIONS technology for ORAN Virtual Exhibition 2022. Today, the topic we like to cover is RANathon Scalable gNodeB for 5G private network. I will introduce architecture of LIONS products and some testing outcomes of the products from ORAN PlugFest 2021. Then the flexibility and combination of the solution in various phases of deployment of customers are showcased. Let's check it out. RANathon is LIONS gNodeB solution for 5G private network. Following pages describe the content of RANathon products. We start from macro view. RANathon is comprised of three elements of ORAN: baseband unit, Fronthaul Gateway, and radio unit. It can work with 5G core network from various vendors. And it also can connect to user equipment from different makers, following the definition of 5G standards. Then, baseband unit of RANathon integrates OCU and ODU defined by ORAN standards. It is implemented as a kit, including OCU, ODU software and Hi-Fi acceleration card. At the same time, it follows 3GPP reversion 15 and FR1 definitions. The BBU can connect to 5G core network using backhaul connection. Other interfaces on backhaul include inter-OCU coordination and management, orchestration functions. The BBU connect to Fronthaul Gateway or ORU by ORAN 7:2 split and 10 GSFP+, eCPRI Fronthaul interface. With standard hardware specifications, one BBU can support 2 FR1 cells and each cell can connect 400 UEs. Next element in RANathon gNodeB is Fronthaul Gateway. As UE density in private network application is not as high as in public network. Fronthaul Gateway with Fronthaul aggregation, relay function can link multiple ORU to a BBU and increase radio coverage of a BBU or a cell. The gateway also provides clock source to BBU and ORU for synchronization. The last element of RANathon gNodeB is ORAN-compliant radio unit enabling radio coverage for UEs. Currently, LIONS can supply outdoor and indoor models. Outdoor one with 20 watts output power and indoor one with 1 watt output power. Both items support 4T4R MIMO radio. In addition, N78 and N79 frequency skew can be provided. Again, ORAN 7:2X split fronthaul is used for linking either BBU or Fronthaul Gateway. In addition to above elements, one character LIONS likes to emphasize is cybersecurity. For open infrastructure, customers need reliable network equipment to prevent and reduce hazards and risk. Cybersecurity conformance of RANathon was confirmed by ORAN Testing and Integration Center in PlugFest 2021 event. In addition, RANathon get independent third-party certification for 3GPP TS33.511 and TS33.117. Both are international cybersecurity requirements for gNodeB. Furthermore, all RANathon products are made in Taiwan, a trustworthy nation by the free world. In the past 3 months, RANathon gNodeB has been tested in Taiwan ORAN Testing and Integration Center, ORA Technology, in ORAN PlugFest 2021. And LIONS Technology is honored to claim that our RANathon products have passed all participated testing items. We are now allowed to label the ORAN Global PlugFest 2021 badge on our products. The complete details can be found in ORAN PlugFest 3 presentation. Here I just highlight 2 aspects of the result. The first aspect is about ORU conformance test, which cover the fronthaul side to ODU and the radio side to UE. On the upstream side, the test verifies that RANathon ORU can work with ORAN split 7:2X split compliant BBU. While on the downstream side, 3GPP compatible 5G UE can connect to RANathon ORU with satisfied and reliable performance. Radio testing including base, uplink, and downlink cases are conducted and reported. It guarantees the interoperability of RAN with UE as well. Secondly, Taiwan Venue arranged an end-to-end performance of RAN connecting to a remote 5G core network. The scenario simulates the real deployment in field application. The RAN under test connects to 5GC or NGC from Nokia, Ericsson, Cisco, and QCT under stress situation. Consider all the setup and measurement are done in 3 or 4 day period without too many optimizations. LIONS RAnathon gNodeB successfully connected to all 5GC and recorded bi-directional maximum download speed over 800 megabits per second and maximum upload speed over 200 megabits per second. Latency by ping is recorded as low as lower 10 milliseconds. Results of ORAN PlugFest 2021 prove the interoperability and performance of RAnathon products. LIONS like to thank ORAN Alliance, all Taiwan hosts, and OTIC Taiwan for holding this constructive and inspiring event. We demonstrate the scalability of service density of RAnathon in the following section. In this page, we showcase deployments of RAnathon in initial phases of customers' 5G private network. For customer likes to introduce 5G technology, an anchor setup is frequently arranged to verify the feasibility. In this phase, network administrator likes to minimize investment while maintaining enough radio coverage for testing and evaluation. So, administrator can use RAnathon Fronthaul Gateway to link multiple, up to 8, ORU to cover testing site when number of UE is limited. Hence, the 1 BBU, 1 Fronthaul Gateway, and some ORU combination is enough for anchor phase. Before proceeding to next scenario, we elaborate capacities of RAnathon products, helping customer to quantify the deployment scale. It is mentioned in previous page that 1 BBU can support 2 cells and 1 cell can support 400 connected UEs. Secondly, 1 Fronthaul Gateway can connect up to 8 ORU, and a Fronthaul Gateway can only cascade to another Fronthaul Gateway. Thus, 2 cascaded Fronthaul Gateways can connect up to 16 ORU to a cell. Thirdly, distance from Fronthaul Gateway to ORU can extend up to more than 10 km. And lastly, area of radio coverage is determined by type and output power of ORU. For indoor ORU with built-in omnidirectional antenna, the radio coverage area is a 30-meter radius circle, centered around the indoor ORU. While for outdoor ORU using external antenna, the choice of antenna affects topology of radio coverage. Rule of thumb is for 5 watts per channel 4T4R ORU. The maximum line of sight coverage may reach up to 1.5 to 2 kilometers distance. However, all above coverage numbers can be reduced by electromagnetic obstacles or environmental interference. Customer can apply these numbers to plan his/her private network. For 5G private network focusing on coverage, for example, smart agriculture, drone, surveillance, railroad transportation, etc., the number of UE in a big area is limited. Network administrator should try to connect more ORU to a cell, to reduce the investment of BBU and cabling. 2 Fronthaul gateways can be cascaded to connect 16 ORU per cell. The cascaded Fronthaul gateways approach can be applied to even larger area, coupled with 2 cells per BBU configuration. This will maximize the radio coverage for 1 BBU. In this way, customer can reduce coverage cost per unit area of the wireless network. For density-centric 5G private network, for example, smart manufacturing, logistics center, or virtual hosting in stadium, etc., the service density of UE is usually higher, compared to previous scenario. Quantity of ORU per cell is limited to maintain enough resource for dense UEs. Thus, ORU supported by each Fronthaul gateway is also well confined. Administrator don't use cascaded Fronthaul gateways in this scenario. Instead, more cells are activated for large area deployment. Corresponding BBU investment is required as well. To sum up, suitable application of RAnathon Fronthaul Gateway provides scalability of 5G private network. Moreover, Versatile radio coverage by indoor and outdoor ORU enhance flexibility of RAN deployment. Both features make RAnathon flexible to meet customers' 5G private network requirements. Below are takeaways from LIONS RAnathon introduction. First, RAnathon is a secured 5G FR1 standalone architecture, ORAN 7:2x split, and ORAN PlugFest verified complete gNodeB solution for 5G wireless application. It includes baseband unit NFV kit, Fronthaul Gateway, and indoor-outdoor radio units. Next, BBU NFV kit is comprised of OCU, ODU software and Hi-Fi acceleration card. The kit can run on CentOS Linux and COTS hardware. Thirdly, Fronthaul Gateway provides ORAN fronthaul aggregation, relay function and link one cell, BBU to multiple, up to 8, ORU. It is ideal for flexible radio coverage deployment. Moreover, LIONS RAnathon comes with N78, N79 frequency and 1 watt, 20 watts output power for indoor-outdoor application, respectively. The final highlight is scalability of RAnathon gNodeB helps customer to reduce unnecessary investment in various phase, cable rerouting, and service downtime. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any inquiry or question, feel free to contact us using contact information on the screen. We are glad to provide further information to you and discuss your requirements about 5G network. Thank you and see you again soon.